it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here with my Candyland Camp Candyland by Rebecca Hoot swap, and I swapped with Stephanie, who is on IG at Blushing Journal, and I also swapped with Deborah, who is at Deb Crafts on YouTube. And so I'm just going to do some quick opening, and I wanted to share it with you. I'm super excited. I love the project, and it's just been really cool getting to meet some people I normally wouldn't meet, but through a swap. So let's get started. First, Stephanie's came in the mail first, so I'm going to open up Stephanie's, and then I'll get to Deborah's. I have not. I just cut them open. I didn't cut them open. I didn't look. We were given a couple of their favorite things, candies we were supposed to write down, and so yeah, I had included candies in mine, and but I didn't find out what their favorite candies were. There wasn't anything. It was blank. I put a big old list because I love candy. so anyway, so this camp is perfect for me. Let's just get open. It says Candyland, yay. That's cute with the little cherry washi. You know, all good junk journalers save all the wrapping, right? Of course. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh, Twizzlers are my favorite. And I love the short socks. I wear those all around the house. So thank you, Stephanie. That is so cute. And I'm going to put the bag that says Candyland on it in my junk journal, so thank you. That was really sweet. I love the socks. Okay, she wrote me, this fell out. She wrote me a little card, so hold on one second. I'm going to open up the card. Hopefully I won't rip into this. I'll just read it off camera. It's got really, but I will show you the front because it's cute with the bows. That'll make a great little journaling card. It says, Jonna, I hope you enjoyed the package I put together for you. I'm so excited to get started with Rebecca's Candyland Camp. Me too. How's your summer going? Mine is going well. We have a lot going on this summer. Wow, she has 5 children, 18 to 29, and the youngest just graduated high school this year. Congratulations, Stephanie, and congratulations to your youngest. And the oldest is getting married. Wow, that's so cool. Well, congratulations all around. And it does sound like your summer is going awesome. So, okay, I love the twine that she chose because it reminds me of the candy stripe, you know, in the book. That's cool. Candy. Yes, hot tamales, my favorite. Even though I'm not supposed to eat them, I do. And then good and plenty, good and plenty. Who remembers that cute little commercial, right? It just sticks in your head. I love the tissue paper that you put in here. Let me see if I can get this undone. Nope. It's got a pretty tight knot there. I'll work on that off camera. Try to save the bow tissue, you know, as a junk journaler, you save everything. Cute. Oh, look at, she made all these little charms. I haven't even started working on my dangle for my journal yet, so this is awesome. I love the little pieces. I love the little heart bag you put it in. I can't open it. There it is. It's always hard to see the end. Oh, I love that you gave me jingles. I don't have any little jingle bells, so that's so cute. Oh, this is cute. These are erasers, and oh, I love these. Very sweet. And some cabochons, another jingle bell. Love that. I will definitely use that in my tassel and think of you. I don't want to rip the tissue paper because I want to decoupage with it. It's very cute with the bows. I'm a true junk journaler. Oh, look at this loaded pocket. Love it. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, awesome. Little cards from the game. Love that. Some candy. Looks like this was packaged so cute. All right. These little plastic things are seriously my challenge, because I can't see where the end is. looking like it's right there, but I don't know if it is. There it is. But it's really cute packaging. I love it. That will definitely get repurposed in my journal. Oh, these are awesome little puffy stickers. Look at all this cute candy. All these cute vinyl candy stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm going to put these on my drink. These are perfect that I'll use. I'll just keep it all, put them on my drink and use them. Love it. Thanks, Stephanie. Those are great. Decorate my drink cup for camp. Very cute. And then, oh, this looks like, oh my gosh, look how you did the rickrack. Love that. You know I love rickrack, so I'm all about the rickrack. That's awesome. You did rainbow color. Oh my goodness, that is so cool. Love it. Thank you so much. I love some good rickrack. What else we got? This is very cute. I'm going to put this in my journal too. I think you made it to where you could hinge it. So definitely going to do that. Oh, look at these little macarons. Oh my goodness. How cute are those? I love them. They're little macaron miniatures. Super, super cute. Yeah, I love this pot-loaded pocket. So it's got four. It has 4 pockets in it. Oh my gosh, this is really fun. Fun paper. Donuts and sprinkles. That's the one thing. I didn't have a lot of paper, so I'm glad you put this in there because I just didn't have a lot. My kids are all grown. I don't use, you know, that kind of stuff too much anymore. But I love the pocket. That's going definitely in my journal. Oh, look how cute. You found some great stuff. I love that you put things in here too that are good for our journals. Oh my goodness, little cupcake notepad. How sweet. How sweet is that? Love it. And sweet. A little doily. A nice little pocket. That could go right on there. Isn't that really cute? I don't know if that's what you intended. Oh my goodness, look at the more candy. And then bright colors, which I needed. I didn't have a whole lot of bright colors, so thank you for doing that. Stephanie did awesome. I loved that we got to swap together, and I look forward to seeing what you post on your Instagram. So if you are on Instagram, go follow Stephanie at Blushing Journals. Thank you so much. I'm going to leave these in, or wait, I might want to move them because I got to open up Deborah's. But thank you so much. I appreciate everything you sent. It was very thoughtful and well thought out. Next, I'm going to open up Daisy Deb Crafts. Deborah, this box came next. Oh my word. Deborah, what are you doing? This is unbelievable stash of stuff. What? Oh my gosh, you're so generous. Wow, you guys were so generous. Okay, so we have some puffy candy stickers. These are fun. Very cute. And oh, look at those. These are neat. Okay, my Dollar Tree didn't have those. Love those. That's going to be great in my journal. Wow. Look at the sacks. Oh my goodness, look how many sacks you put in there. How fun is this? Look at all the colors. Girl, you got lots of sacks, that's for sure. Wow. Those are amazing. Awesome colors. And there's some more down here. Oh my goodness. There's all kinds and great colors. Wow. That is really, really cool. Very colorful and very Candyland-like. Ooh, here's some more. Yay. Look at those. They look like, oh my gosh, little sugar crystals. So, so cute. Love those. I'll just go through these. Okay, we got some popcorn. These are great for tuck spots. Oh my goodness. These are so, my journal is going to be like major thick after this. Very cute. These are really cute. She put in some tickets. Fun. Look at these. Mint. Oh, look at all these. Then there's more. Ooh, and purple and white and pink. All the colors. All the Candyland colors. Love them. These are fun. How much fun is this? This is awesome. Some doilies. There's some red doilies. We have some Circle the King candy that is different. Oh, these are fun little games. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. Where'd you find that? Very adorbs. Oh, look at the drink playing the guitar. The chocolate bar. These are really fun. And then, of course, little flowers. Love putting those on everything. Oh, this is neat because it's all different colors. That's great for the, for the planner side of it. Fun little donut patch. How adorbs is that? Little puffy rainbow stickers. Another doily. And then Yummy Life Tasty stickers. Eat dessert first. These are fun. Oh my goodness. My journal's going to be huge. Spoons. Card game includes 24 cards. Okay. Oh man. These are really cool. These are fun. Even for just summer. I want an ice cream sandwich right now. Very, very cute with all the ice cream. Love it. Thank you. I've not seen these. Spoons. Very cute. Okay, then we have some receipts. These will be fun to alter. This is the Happy Meal that keeps on going. Ooh, she sent hot tamales too. Yes. Girl, I got one for my car and one for my craft room. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Then she sent me some, what, candy bingo? Where did you find this? Where did you find these? These are cool. Kindness bingo and all the bright colors. Wow, that is epic. Okay. Sprinkle bags. These are fun. These will be fun to use for shakers and stuff, right? Love it. Little cupcakes, stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, a whole bag of fresh popcorn bags. Wow. Awesome. Another candy bingo. Some little candy bingo pieces that are little candy gingerbread houses. Oops. And some more fun bags, fresh popcorn. Oh wow, a lot of little colorful doilies. Some more tickets. This is fun. This was fun opening because you kind of layered it all in. I love it. Oh, another patch. More bags. Whoa. Wow, lots of fun paper bags. Those are going to be fun to use. Oh my gosh, and a whole pack of these. See, my Dollar Tree did not have those. Love these. Very cute. I'm all about the patches. So, nice. Look at all these bags. Like, she sent, like, a whole thing of bags. That's, like, look at all the bags. That's crazy. I don't need for anything. More little, like, coin envelopes to alter. Some more fun little treat things. It looks like she made her own envelopes. Love those. Those are really neat. What do we have here? We have, ooh, cotton candy gumballs. Won't these look cute in a jar? And use the packaging as a pocket. I did that in one of my journal. When I do the flip through, you'll see how I used it. But cotton candy is my favorite. I love cotton candy. Ooh, coral envelopes. Aren't those pretty? And more bags. What? More fun bags. Wow, I'm set for bags for life, girl. And tickets also. More tickets. Oh my gosh, Deborah, you did amazing. Corn, you went above and beyond. That was just very, very generous. And donuts. What else we got? Oh, these are cute little note cards, but in candy stripes. Reminds me of like fruit stripe gum. What's in here? Fun. Oh, these are fun. Yes, when I opened up Stephanie's, I didn't have I personally do not have a lot of this like fun, bright colored. I had to go way back in my stash, but this is great. And this is a little thicker, more like card. I love it. Oh, and then another set of stickers. Oh my goodness. Ladies, you were amazing. Your presents were above and beyond. And I just love everything and the thought behind it. And it was just so, so nice of you guys. And I so appreciate it. I appreciate the thought that went behind it. Oh, I left out a whole nother bag of stuff. Oh my goodness. I left this out. It was on the corner of my desk. I guess it got pushed to the side. What? Look at all these fun charms. I cannot wait to make my dangle between you, what you sent, Deborah, and what Stephanie sent. Oh my goodness. Look at the one with the sprinkles. Look at the one with the sprinkles. How sweet. And I love that you put it in storage because that's nice to have. What is this? Oh, a little crayon box full of what? Look at all this fun stuff. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Pom-poms and felt pieces and wow. How fun. All kinds of candy stuff. That's funny. Love it. Oh my goodness. You found some really amazing things. That's so cool. Oops, some fell out. And some more charms and beads that look like candy necklaces. So, wow. Wow. Okay. Thank you so much again for everything. I appreciate it. Appreciate you ladies. And I look forward to seeing you in camp on the 6th. Rebecca Hoot camp starts on July the 6th. It's a free virtual camp for the month of July, and everybody should get in on it because it's so much fun. You missed out on the swap, but it doesn't mean you can't meet somebody in the camp and then just decide to do your own swap. So, but anyway, so I appreciate everything you sent. Now I just have to try to find a place to put it. So, oh goodness gracious. Thank you for all the goodies. Yay, come join Candyland camp. Bye guys.